Shh.
Good morning, guys. This is the super car namin ni MM at Minit at akin. If you want to start, just push this button. This sound is already good. Simula pa lang, guys. Tapos eto, guys, yung design ng supercar. Supercar, tapos speed. Ito yung design na ilaw. Tapos, may isa pang ilaw dito sa likod. Backlight, guys. Tapos eto, pag natanggal pa na to, may extra pang gulong.
Yes.
Eto yung design ulit.
Malapad siya. Mataas. Jumbo.
Jumbo.
And itong wheel, hindi siya?
Plastic.
Yeah.
This is...
Tapos, dito ka na.
Eto yung chair, pwedeng dalawang bata ang sumakay. Tapos, if you wanna
Leather siya, malambot.
malambot.